Hello friends, welcome to Storyland Adventures. Today we are going to learn about our letter sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first letter is A. A makes the A sound as in apple. Apple. Next, we have B. B makes the B sound. Bird. Can you say bird? Great! Next up, we have C. C makes the cat. Can you say cat? Great! Next up, we have the letter D. D makes the dolphin sound. How fun is that dolphin having? Great job, everyone. Next letter is E. E makes the elephant. Can you say elephant? Wonderful. Next up, we have F. F makes the frog. Frog. Now we have the letter G. G makes the garden. Can you say garden? Great! Next we have H, and H makes the heart. Heart. Next up we have the letter I. Igloo. I makes the sound igloo. Great job, everyone. Our next letter is J. J makes the juice. Juice. K. K makes the keys sound. Keys sound. L. L makes the leaf. Leaf. Next up we have the letter M. M makes the mouse. Mouse. Great job, everyone. The next letter is N. N makes the nest. Nest. Ooh, look, what do we have here? We have the letter O. And O makes the octopus. Octopus. Next up we have P, and P makes the sound pig. Pig. Then we have Q, and Q makes the queen. Queen. Next up we have the letter R, and R makes the ring. Ring. Next up we have the letter S. S makes the sun. Sun. Next we have the letter T. T makes the sound tree. Tree. Next up we have U, and U makes the sound umbrella. Umbrella. Next up we have the letter V. V makes the V sound. Violin. Next up we have the letter W, and W makes the watermelon. Watermelon. Then we have the letter X. X makes the x sound. Xylophone. Then we have the letter Y, and Y makes the yacht. Yacht. And lastly, we have the letter Z, and Z makes the zebra. Zebra. And there you have it, my friends. Great job learning your letter sounds. And I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye!